Open files in RT and wait modes. Several times here on So I've seen people using RT and wait modes for reading and writing files. For example, I don't see the modes documented, but since Open doesn't throw an error, looks like it's pretty much legal to use. What is it for, and is there any difference between using wait versus W and RT versus R?
T refers to the text mode. There is no difference between R and RT or W and wait since text mode is the default. Documented here. The default mode is R, open for reading text, synonym of RT.
The T indicates text mode, meaning that \n characters will be translated to the host offline endings when writing to a file, and back again when reading. The flag is basically just noise, since text mode is the default. Other than U, those mode flags come directly from the standard C library's open function, a fact that is documented in the 6th paragraph of the Python 2 documentation for Open. As far as I know, T is not and has never been part of the C standard, so although many implementations of the C library accept it anyway, there's no guarantee that they all will, and therefore no guarantee that it will work on every build of Python. That explains why the Python 2 docs didn't list it, and why it generally worked anyway. The Python 3 docs make it official.
The R is for reading, W for writing, and A is for appending. The T represents text mode as opposed to binary mode. Several times here on So I've seen people using RT and wait modes for reading and writing files. Edit: are you sure you saw RT and not RB? These functions generally wrap the open function which is described here. This URL. As you can see, it mentions the use of B to open the file in binary mode. The document link you provided also makes reference to this B mode. Appending B is useful even on systems that don't treat binary and text files differently, where it serves as documentation.
T indicates for text mode. This URL. On Linux, there's no difference between text mode and binary mode. However, in Windows, it converts \n to \n or \n when text mode. This URL.